season bia. Erade wadom wasas. Erade wadom wasas. As we worship the Lord today, Fasasem wefa ewura wadwene verse 6 no wase unsane ma yenkwa bio. You say Erade adom na sas na enso so ye niema etese de on dom yen. Yeah, Koselesin ho. As you lead us into worship. If I say show Christ said yewu abrabo mu ama wonye productive bia in the course of the worship. Kasate sesenia kora manukai. One sunny, rather one sunny emma yankwa. Won't you revive us? Won't you, Lord, revive us again? Rather one son my yankwabio. Rather my yankwa. We need a revival. We need life. Yankwa for from. And kana o kana ade bema wasan aso aba ene pa be pie fru mu. Tobre bia wo koba but well to me say wagina aba bia mpie fru mu. Okọ no aba no wada okọ oba no wada. De wo ho no na wo consume. Wo wi de wo nyina ba bi meka ho. Etiabra yenuaba Shelesen Danko. Boshmi wa yejumedie be ewo Victory Bible Church. One church ya ewo ekwan ho papa. You're very easy. Ebemu atimi abo ewura ho. Erade one son na one mama no me fie ne ma wade yankwa. Give us, oh Lord, life. Revive us, oh God. Yanko Celestine Ho. Psalm 85. Erade mesrawa one mamenkwa. Na woman any enye uho. Erade mamenkwa bi. We worship you today. You are worthy of the praise. Lord, we give you all the honor. You are worthy. Let's worship the Lord. Let's worship the Lord. And then I pay. Say, Enkwa. Ewe mu na moje di frisane ha. Ade ba ko pe na wo se yeye. Ye de aseda ene ayeye e ma de. Because ye ko da no na ye nim bia ene nam. And I pay. Ati asifo nkwa na betime Jesus aye. What the Fidia to Hanoma. If you had a biana, sorry, or sorry, and Tron and a croy and a peja, Eba, when you met as a fono, and on a Salasin don't call. And they sunny Edika Kacho say you're dedicated, said you made the Amayanuya Balcon, the leading, the worshipper, the inspirer, a wahine, a champion. Ya obekaya ho last year and oware honorator and chiwaye radedia, a young, potential, talented, gifted, very humble and very serviceable. Abrebi obe friend bia sebra be nyame adwuma no demirika. Masmoro kaya womwa also pe talent ne potentials giftings womo asamato, and it is very true. And I brand to ya radidi and the wo ye kra no hunu akora no akora ketua no awede 1 month and half no hunu no krada, and then we kai e wo heaven. We can't blame God, but we can thank God. So we are thanking God for wahene. We are not complaining. Yeah, so we are thanking God. In the enra me call na yire hona ababa we wosusa na mse nyina ye bede nyame as e painful sane ye bia na sedan ye de be nyame sedan kuton ye de be nyame ade na ya na nso ye bede be nyame ye ntimi nkasa ade na yes yesu wa ngoda yesu wa ngo biologically wa ngoda nenso so yesu Kristo odno bebo afode ma wiase obebeka so ono de na sa na nyame ahehye no na wo nyame de me ba no na nyame de owo ahene ba no na wo gira han na woni ho nti woni da me meko eji wo bibi ya mama ya ye ntem de owo ye ma selese na ye ntem wo be follow the ministry no ahye ne nkura ya ntem you don't know when and so do ho be ma yesu nso so afa homa ne ntem the jazz also said the Debbie nti branch and Yanato more Facebook won't send a picture that is a gentleman. What do you count heaven? Kofodia hospital dominum so all because what was will be in pain. Was for 2 days non-stop. Doctors look at me and said, I don't was restless. When them angels are Nasiano, they didn't know. Now, so then can you message Trana say? In Shirani, no one who rat him. Minimum say, Newa, and you cocaine when you and I ain't such one on the hear me because we'll be our queen of the first wako. And now we are the end of America, but dying in the Lord. Now, person who are a simple. A simple. One mama minaro. Mento oil be a mount. Say to Jumian and Lenyum to Anwana, like a so Rayesu. And they are made me pray, my brabo, but the mount. We're simple, and also by so faka. Eba baby, I'm a war. Well, yes, I a day. Ada wa get in a dinner how. I a simple baby, I would die if I run a draw now, burger, my one bear on a demo, I'm with the but say yeah, you can give your life to Christ. What you make us say, Raddy, for me, monitor. And long qua we are quite agree, but say, I bet you make us say, Raddy, for me, monitor. Because we'll be in him 1 minute away in him, dear Waho. So let's say, patch out to the mechanics. It won't to join an scripture on Psalm 85 was say, Raddy, what dumb woman, what dumb was sassing. I don't know, I was here. Tiame no workers I Adom, and Yame Kronkroya, and Yame Papaya, and Ya Radiadom, and Yama Yenuesa. It is because of the mercies of the Lord. And so therefore, Siena Quenya Saya, and if you are there to say no, Massa do me a can once a man in sound. And Sammy who are Jin Quabrefo, and man in sound. Womabro una abasu oti ansa Awurade me gya me pɛ. Me Yaw Owusu Ansah me gya me pɛ. Selesi di anim nyina all kori nyina no. As she sings and leads us in the presence of the Lord. Yes, obeka kyerɛ sɛ fa homa Yesu. Selesi ade ba akwa me pɛ ono no. The all ye nyina it is about Jesus. It is not about or no. That is why in this month, a major program at Victory Bible Church. Is it Dominion? Everyone say
Victory Bible Church International.
Almost center. Dominion. And the Hodia, we don't know how to with the offer trotro for text you. Men for trotro no mafa can with you Fabra. We bring a parking space. It's a big auditorium. And that is one of the worship services. Urayiri wayana fibia. Date in the time and on one de bema. But yensa worship ready. Baby I will be and as we worship God so up bunko toge. Trotro na all candia. Men packet. Baby I want all car packet. Nenya relationship, intimate relationship with your Christos. Say Radi betrama kumem fa me boni bia cheme. Boni bia maye bia fa be boni cheme. So let's say Minim is no kra na obeto. E me dedo. Kwane ma ho odene men kwane ma ho odene men kwane ma ho odene se wiase niema nyina bombe me wo we die oh se wiase nyina bombe se wiase nyina bombe Give me life. Everybody, Mamenkwa. Baby, Yaw Owusu Ansah. Mamenkwa. Everybody, Mamenkwa. Revive my life. Revive me, oh God. I'm a sumram for Swami. Revive me, oh God. Oh, Minya, senior man. Revive my life. Revive my life one more time. Lord. Revive me, oh God. Revive me. Lord. Oh, let this be your song. Okron kro hine. We are kron. you know what you do. But I said, you know what you do. I just said, Celestine, do a name. Now for years, you so run all crash and we can't just let it be. Neither. Give your life to Christ. Friends, we are suffering me in an hour. And you see, I dedicated Saint Jumadie, Ediama Owahene Champon, who has been part of this team for all these years. Celestine Dianimina, one of the 5 years of Christo should do that. Thank you.
Jesus in the Abrabonimwa.
Thank you, Jesus.
So won't follow home my yes. Nana pay opian and Monyamwa he and I walk. So won't name baby Jesus pay and I pay. So pay no piana jia. He and I walk. He and I walk. So won't name baby Obekwa. Na and I pay a pesia come for Jesus and mouth. Ya pese ya bwa na for Jesus sa ukra ene wa chenkwa baby awo bia sa we say ni pay ya can we efedi mechi ka say na na pay Jesus mabawenim me cry makoma ene mini pedua nyina me dane de ma wo Jesus efi ene ede kɔ me fa wo Yesu sa me cry ene ma jenkwa me besa me ne wo nante ene day nyina enti enana pay erade boa me ewo Yesu di amen.
I was here, I know we Jacob Brazo so hard to say, why ready by Beko Kumas Sonia Cofa News and Yakofa, just say at Timuano, but Celestine Basamba, you come back again.
Mammy family short code into the
short code to
say, Open Celestial Praise ticket at one. And Nana pay my chedia medema on the set. For phone number *714 *5 *7 hash *714 *5 *7 hash. Oboa ubenya very low price ticket. Nyamishra.
Thank you very much. From Yaw Owusu Ansah, my name is Adom Ahengua. Nyame Adom Ahengua. I bet also with you. We'll be sharing all night and so I say, mana yenyina yasum erade ewo horom. Thank you very much. Nyame Shra. Onko so anhwe wo so no mo ho ban. Rita, onyame nhwe wo den. Erade nko so anhwe wo den. Ukuna firi mu de wa wo akwara ketewa. Mo ware ni 1 year. But erade